We introduce you to the 3D Laser software program. There is how to open the program. Select the 3D Laser program icon. Then click on it twice. The program will be a load after that. Now introduce you the program interface. The menu bar. The next system toolbar. Here is a modify toolbar T. His area is object property bar. This is a drawing toolbar. Next is the preview area with red borders. It is a laser working area. Here is a view toolbar and 3D view toolbar. And this is marking parameters. Now we can use all of the text on the graphic commands of the program. Before you will cut any material, please use marking with red light. We can move all of these toolbars, and also we can close all of them and reopen all of the toolbars. We can do it with a menu view by activating or deactivating the bars. Now we are closing or deactivating all of the bars, and again we can activate all of them. Now we introduce you to how to open, save, and close the commands, which are using all of the programs. You can use the text commands, also all of the graphic commands. Here you can find how to open a new file and open other files. Also, don't forget to save your files before you close. The program will bring you for closing the dialog. For saving files, you can choose yes or no or cancel. Now we will show you how to open files. If you have an early exiting file, you can preview them on the window by side as I preview for you. Now let us open any file to introduce you to the working process. You can use a mouse scroller in the middle for bring drawings close or far. Click on your drawing to select. Now in the panel of marking parameters, you can see this color, and you can change the speed, power, and frequency of laser. You can change the color of your drawing for using other parameters. You can change each parameter and don't forget to apply it. For example, you can keep all of the driving in one file. And you can bring each of the drawings to the working area into the red border and keep it selected. Change the color as I do for using other parameters of the laser. Now we can select other drawings and bring them to the working area and select other colors for other parameters. Now we will show you how to multiply objects from one. Select the object array icon. It will bring a menu dialog. Let's make, for example, 2 rows and 4 columns. We change the distance of objects. Don't forget to apply. Now we have multiple objects. We can mirror the objects for cutting behind material. Also, we can use a group of objects. Bring to the center. Now let us use the text. You can write here any text. For example, group it. And now we are preparing inside lines for other parameters of cutting. For example, if you have vinyl material which has mounting film, we need to drop out inside of closed objects, and the next text will cut the same parameters. For this text, we will group the same colors. Grouping the object is Ctrl plus L or group out. We making multiple objects. We can see object size. And remember, do not use too small objects. The thickness of object cannot be too small. The cutting size of laser is tomb of each side. It takes form from your object. That's why you need to measure the object. Now let us insert a vector file. You can do it by insert vector file and do same what we did with text. Don't forget to mirror if it needs. Copy and paste for mirror.